Hello everyone, it's Marina. I'm here to do a mini album share with you. I used the Theodosia square from the paper studio, and I've had this paper collection for a really long time, and I decided to use it for this project. So I did a 8x8, 8.5, 8x8 or 8.5. Yeah, 8x8 mini album by Rosa, and I'll have her page linked below. I just wanted to do a share with you guys. So on the spine, I have a charm that I made. This is one of the charms that I made. It says life is a journey, and it's got a broken clock here. It's not broken, it just needs a new battery, but it's got a pocket watch and a crystal and some other beading and jewelry and stuff. So that just goes up here, and I will do a quick flip through. I'm going to attempt to do a quick flip through. I have a photo mat here, and I did metal embellishments. I also have a little journal because I have to include journals in like whatever I can. So it's a little mini journal. And that just goes in here. And then this opens up. I have this on, it's got a charm on it, a little button charm. And then it's got a fan, a boot, and a little Eiffel Tower. Just charms that I had that I fed through here. And it is magnetized, so you can open that up. And then there's another photo mat here. That tucks in. And then that opens up like this. And these are magnetized. So they're little photo mats that are magnetized. And this is also magnetized on this side. So that comes off or stays there. So that opens up. And there's a photo mat here, and then there is a waterfall place here for photos or notes. So that is that page. And at the top of every page, is it the top or the side? Side. It's the side. The side of every page has more pocket space. I just I had filled it, and yeah. So there's another mat. I need to put a back on this one. I will do that. And then this comes out. And then a larger one comes out. And the next page is another photo mat. And then I have like a little photo areas set up and possible for notes if somebody wants to take notes. And then there is a pocket here with another photo mat. And then this one opens up, maybe if he wants to. There we go. And it's got a pop-up pocket. And then another photo mat here. And I did this so it kind of blends, but also stands out. So I wanted it to have the lining here, so you know to put a photo here if you want to, or you can draw or whatever. Right. Oh my gosh, right. And then this comes out. I love these pages, they're so pretty. And then this part opens up here. And then this is cool because it's a slider. So you put a photo here, and then you can go ahead and slide it and put another photo here. And it's really cool because it's all magnetized. And then on this page, I have a little pop-up photo area. So that pops up, and then it opens. So that's fun. And this is like one of the first times I've gotten to really do pop-up stuff, so that's fun. And then right here is a reverse waterfall. Is it reverse? I don't know. It's just upside down, which I really like. So, and then that's the back. But I hope you guys enjoyed the flip through. Again, I will link Rosa Kelly's page, or her channel, so you guys can check out her tutorials. She does some really awesome things. And I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you have any questions, let me know. And I will see you guys next time. All right, bye.